Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to use the resolution control in your iPhone 17 camera. At first, you need to open the settings, and now you need to scroll down to the camera. Here in the camera, you need to tap Formats, and now enable the resolution control. Once it's enabled, you can open the camera. Here in the photo, you can see HIF 24. You can set it, for example, up to 48 megapixels. And remember, to take photos with the 48 megapixels, you need to have the live photo disabled and night mode disabled, and this Fusion 1x lens. Now, if I take, for example, a photo that's near me, like here, this is the macro mode, and this photo is not in the 48 megapixels, it's in 12 megapixels. But if I take a photo of something that's further from me and has more details, and it's not in the macro mode, we can see that more 48 megapixels photo is here, and that's how you use it. If you don't want to use the 48 megapixels or 24, set it to 24 and do the same. That's it, actually. 24. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.